Hello, everyone. My name is Layton Diament, and I am here with Dan Trevino. We just spent a little time talking about how I didn't know his last name properly, even though we've been working together for a couple of years. But say hi, Dan.
Yo.
Dan and I have been working together for a number of years on Blockstack and /Stacks apps, going back to Note Riot, Webby, Landho, StacksPack, Hoverlook, and now Boom. And Boom is the Stacks wallet, getting ready to launch it with the 2.0 launch. We're super excited, particularly because we're partnering with the Hero team to bring you a limited edition NFT that you get to claim inside the app. So really excited about that. Yeah, it's a really cool opportunity. And Dan, I don't know what else you want to say about that. Maybe talk about why we're excited about bringing this to the community, what the community means to us.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing I'm excited about really is the community part of this. Like Layton said, we've been part of the community for a long time. We came to the Blockstack community it was called Blockstack at the time. Came to the Blockstack community independently way back. Met via Note Riot and have been working on things together since then. The really exciting part to me is just the fact that for us, it's been an ongoing kind of community interaction. As we've been through all of these different apps, whether it's suggestions or complaints or comments or even translations. We've had community translations. We've had code contributors. So the community's been a huge part of everything that we've been building, and they're a huge part of this. Special call out to Freeger and James, who are helping us specifically on Boom right now. But yeah, community is the best part of this thing, I think.
Yep, absolutely. So we are going to show you a demo of Boom. That's the point of this video today, besides showing you our faces. Given that the network isn't quite ready, we're going to be showing you a prototype demo of the Boom wallet. So we'll jump right into that. Boom. So initially you're going to want to go to boom.money. That is our domain. You'll see a little landing page here. You'll want to select Get Started. And if you haven't set up a Stacks ID yet, or Blockstack ID in the past, you will need to go through those steps first. But once you're ready, you will select the ID that you want to log into Boom with, and you will be presented with a with the standard wallet view here. You'll see that there's it's really an empty state because there's no balance in here yet. That includes NFTs. Dan, do you want to talk a little bit about what people might be confused about when they see $0 on here?
Yeah, one thing to note is that we're a wallet in the traditional sense, but we're not using your private keys. So what I mean by that is we're actually deriving your Stacks address from your identity, so we don't have to touch your private key. So that's kind of a benefit. But what that implies, though, is that for those of you who already have Stacks balances or have seed phrases from other Stacks wallets, you won't be able to enter those seed phrases directly into Boom right now. You'll have to transfer money to your identity Stacks address. But we feel like that gives us an advantage in that we don't have to touch your private keys. So, at the end of the day, we're a Stacks application that allows you to do all of your wallet functionalities in a really secure way.
Cool. Yep. So that's why you're not just able to really simply kind of say, hey, bring 1,000 stacks over from my other wallet right into this. So you can obviously deposit them to this, but they will be different addresses. What you'll see though on the wallet page is just basic transaction information, your balances up at the top, and at least initially, for those of you that are here for the Stacks 2.0 launch and have registered, you'll see this card show up that lets you claim your limited edition Stacks 2.0 NFT. So you'll select the Claim Now button, and you will see some information about what it means to be claiming the collectible. It's about celebration. One thing to note is that this is a placeholder image. It is not the one that you're going to get. The Hero team is working diligently with another agency to get an awesome collectible for you.
Series of awesome collectibles.
Yeah. As much as you may love this emoji face saying wow, 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 and Easter egg, there's like little stacks tokens in the eyes. This is not what you're gonna get. Anyway, in the actual flow, we will pre-fill your Boom wallet stacks address, and you just have to hit submit your claim. Once you've hit submit your claim and Mainnet launches, you will receive your launch NFT. Anything else you want to mention about this, Dan?
No, just to reiterate what you said, without the Stacks 2.0 chain ready, we're just collecting addresses for now. We can't actually mint an NFT without this blockchain, and we can't transfer them without the blockchain. So we do need your address, so be sure you submit your claim there. And once the chain is launched, we'll be working with the team to create those NFTs and have them sent to you.
Sweet. Boom. So yeah, you submit your claim, success, you'll return to the wallet, and you'll see a placeholder NFT in your wallet, just as a nice reminder that you got the real thing coming as soon as it's ready. One of the things we're really excited about with our wallet is making it very accessible for people, especially like digital artists, out of the gate to create new NFTs. So we've got basic functionality in here that will allow you to, create an NFT from any basic media file that you've already got available to you. So all you need to do is select a file, Nick Cage, Pixel Dan, and upload it. You'll give it a name. This will be the title of your NFT. Your Blockstack ID and Stacks ID will be listed as the creator. You will indicate how many copies you want to exist. Dan is a one-of-a-kind kind of guy, so we're going to make it a one-of-one. And it's like create my NFT. Once that's submitted, it'll be minted, and you'll be able to return your wallet where you can see it appear there. There is a missing step though, Dan. Why don't you tell us about the missing step?
Yeah, as part of the transaction signing, for those of you who are familiar with transferring tokens or NFTs in other wallets, you will see a similar kind of confirmation that asks you to sign the transaction before it's actually created. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, it's just basically we use your identity to confirm that it's you that's actually spending your money. You have to just confirm that with a button, and your NFT will be minted.
That's right. And so once you see it here, you'll be able to select any of your NFTs, get a more detailed view of it, send the token if you want, get more metadata about that token, and head back to your wallet. We also have, kind of standard elements that you would expect out of a crypto wallet, sending and receiving tokens, detailed views of each token, along with, balances or transaction details once they're in there. And yeah, that's kind of it for the wallet section. Kind of basic, but like with the larger emphasis on NFTs, specifically around minting them. Settings are also in the wallet, and finally, we've also got a dApp browser, which has been brought over from our work that we did on Webby, which is a curated list of dApps. Dan, why don't you tell them a little bit more about how we're curating those dApps?
Well, we're really trying to focus on privacy respecting, user respecting applications. So yeah, we expect to have like a good list of applications, high quality applications available.
Awesome. Well, I mean, that's really it for the demo. Besides that, I think one more thing that Dan, I think you were interested in chatting just a little bit more about, how our wallet isn't traditionally like a web wallet, or a web wallet in the traditional sense. You touched on it a little bit earlier. Was there anything else you wanted to say more about that?
Just that traditional web wallets kind of have a bad rap because you're sticking your keys in a web browser. Just reiterating again here with Boom, we're a Stacks application, so you're not entering your keys in. We're deriving your Stacks address from your identity, and so we don't have to touch your keys. You still get all the functionality of a wallet. It's a win-win.
Win-win. Well, that's it. That's it for us. We hope you've enjoyed this demo as much as we have. We actually look forward more to bringing you the real thing with the Stacks 2.0 launch, and we look forward to celebrating that launch with everyone. So I thank you. Dan, any last words before we shut this thing down?
Thanks to all the folks at Hero, Damon, Freehold, the community. You guys are great.
Yep. And awesome. Yep, that's it for us. We'll see you around.